Given fxy equals to y ln x plus exponent x squared y, find a f sub yy, b 1 over 2 f sub xy. For a, f sub y first, so differentiate y ln x with respect to y is ln x plus differentiate exponent x squared y with respect to y is x squared exponent x squared y. Differentiate f sub y with respect to y once again. For f sub yy, differentiate ln x with respect to y is 0. Differentiate x squared exponent x squared y with respect to y, we're going to get x to the power of 4 because we already have x squared here. If we differentiate exponent x squared y with respect to y, we're going to get x squared. This x squared will time with this x squared, we're going to get x to the power 4 and copy down exponent x squared y. So that is for f sub yy. So let us find f sub x. So now let's differentiate y ln x with respect to x. So we're going to get y over x because y is a constant. Differentiate ln x with respect to x is 1 over x. So y times 1 over x is y over x. Plus the differentiate exponent x squared y with respect to x, we're going to get 2xy, copy down exponent x squared y. So differentiate f sub x with respect to y. So we have 1 over 2 here, so we already can put 1 over 2 in the front here if you want. So 1 over 2 here. Now let us differentiate with respect to y. For y over x is, we're gonna get 1 over x plus differentiate 2xy exponent x squared y with respect to y. We're going to use product rules because we have two different functions and we have terms y in u and also terms y in v. So there are two different functions in terms of product. So u v prime. So u is 2xy. So if we differentiate exponent x squared y with respect to y, we're going to get x squared exponent x squared y plus v is exponent x squared y, differentiate 2xy with respect to y is 2x. Okay, so let us simplify this. So what we're going to get is, we need to expand. 1 over 2 times 1 over x is 1 over 2x plus, so 1 over 2 times with 2xy x squared exponent x squared y is 1 over 2 and 2 here is 1. So we have x cubed y exponent x squared y plus 2x exponent 1 over 2 times 2 is actually 1. So we have x exponent x squared y now. So that's it.